long live,
long live, long live.
IWT long live,
Long live, long live.
IWT long live,
Long live, long live.
INPT long live,
Long live, long live.
चिनीमा थन्यार यहाँको टिप्पो
যখন 6 শিডিউল চালনের বাকে আন্দোলন भयो आफ्नो असमयले भए इनडाइरेक्टली ब्रो চ্যালেঞ্জ करिका कि प्रशासन साकिन दिया किने एडिशन पास हुँदै एडिशन अब खमगाने बगे 2006 सालमा
and it is a part of our ongoing movement protesting against the introduction of CAA all over the state. This Paddabi is chosen for today and we're grateful for the gathering, and we have seen a lot of enthusiastic people have demonstrated. Through their enthusiastic, we're encouraged, we're inspired, and we are appealing the local people and all the area so that they do join us and fight away the CAA, which is very harmful for our existence. And if it is not contained, then there may be bigger problem, law and order problem, which I have spoken on 29th of November 2019 at Delhi. I still remember I was mentioning about the deterioration of law and order situation in the country and our state also. So central government, BJP-led government had done the same thing, and they are challenging the law and order also in negative way. And today we hope the people in Tripura will come together, especially we are appealing all indigenous regional group, irrespective of their affiliation, to come together so that we sit together and talk out for our movement program against the CA and empowerment of ADC, and inner line permit, and we have certain demands that we have mentioned. So we believe in democracy, and democratically we want to do it, but they are doing some violence also. They may do in all over the country, especially in our Tripura also. We are sensing, because they are imparting RSS training also. Those young boys and girls, if they continue in training of RSS, the RSS people would like to use their trained capacity, so they will create problem. So we have already spoken earlier also, if they continue RSS training in Tripura, our young boys and girls may also opt for training. So then there will be a very good, I think, violence. Now because of this RSS, Kanchanpur part, they have already formed regimental Bengal force. So what does it invite? It inviting violence only. How do they dare to say Bengal regiment? So now if Tripuri people will say, we Tripuri will have also a regiment, then there will be so many problems, law and order. So therefore, we are peaceful people living for decades and decades, centuries together, and we are not encouraged in violence. So we are appealing BJP people to abstain from introducing their forces like RSS, Bajrang, Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Many branches are there. So they want to inflict, they want to impose or exhibit some fear in the heart and mind of people here. It's not only against the tribal, it's against non-tribal also, for all communities. It is very unsafe. So we want to appeal to all the innocent people, those who are living for many, many decades here together, and we have no problem in our existence. So we are doing everything very democratically, and we will also invite so that they abstain from violence prone areas, prone kind of idea. So today it is one of our proving that our people in Kauai Padavil area also very much interested, and we heard many people are also joining. There may be some problem day to day, our livelihood. We are engaged with so many program of marriage ceremony and other program in our community, especially in tribal areas. Even in general area also, they are engaged in marriage ceremony, other function also. And government is doing so many programs to weaken our programs also. But we don't care. We are not concerned about the big number. We have seen so many big numbers, but they are not able to come through. And some other regional parties also today have become very weak. But we remain there because we have been doing last 55 years without change. We still remain in the same place. So thank you so much. Our General Secretary had already spoken about our demand, so I'm not going to repeat it again. Thank you so much.
Group D, Group C, Group B, Group A. 저가 빠진걸 에디션하고 감가감게 2006 살로
mắc hải nhai chi mani con có bao giờ con tự chơi cho bác to mắc hải nhai ra cứ chỉ bảo họ cho bác to chơi gì ngay orang to phát thằng này bao giờ tati ini pengen calo tati chỉ nào mắc hải nhai ra cái cho bác to chơi gì ngay
বেকার বড় আছে হাজার বেকার বড় থানায় কাজে বলি যে নিয়ম নীতি খাইবে এই রকম নাটন বড় নিয়ে যে নিয়ম
তিনি নিমো 5 hours sit-in demonstration ইয়াখাইবা 5 ঘন্টানি যে গণ অবস্থান অবপদ্দবিল যে দংমানি মো আইন পিটিনি চবানি সামুং বুতাং মো কংনো সাতাইক্লাইও আইন পিটি অতিপ্রা হাস্তেও কাইসা যতনি কচাম রিজনাল পলিটিক্যাল পার্টিস 2002 अब आईएनपीटी अपनी सिकां त्रिपुरा उपजाति युव समिति शॉर्ट फॉर्म के TUJS गोबां आंदोलन खाचा तिनी सिङाव कुन कताल आंदोलन या कताल सिट-इन डेमनस्ट्रेशन या हाइपनो जों सामुं बुतां रोमै 10 फेब्रुवारी टाकारजला डिविजन निसिमी चेंगै 15 अपनी परे 19, 27, 28, tini 4th March, 26 Hezamara. Amtika chung tabuk buskango 5-point basic demand nati chung sit-in demonstration khayi central government ni knowledge rohna bobe toba khlaito. Number 1 nungka no CAA in Tripura. Tripura hastewo kendra sarkar tabuk katal khayi je Citizenship Amendment Act खायमानी त्रिपुरा हास्टेआवबो चालू खायमांगला त्रिपुरा हास्टेआव ताबुकनि मोस्ट Citizenship Amendment Act चालू ओंखाय ताबुक जे त्रिपुरा सारक कमाय दंमोनि फाताने बरक हापायखाय बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान बरक हापायखाय जोंतेबो कमाय थानाय बने बगे मन माकासुकाय गण अवस्थानि बिसिंते जोंथिनि त्रिपुरा सारकनो अवेयारनेस बतुकना नाय चिनि तेबो डिमान्ड नखा एडिसिनि याफावो तेबो गोबां administrative power, financial power, marunai. Present ADC ni power by ADC area ni borak na chung kaham kai muthang maya. That's why chung agini simino abobo khai payo. Dakti khai ADC wa empowerment na angthong o direct fund ang kai total ADC area ni land protection power bo ADC procession yaga maya parmai. Tripura haste wo inner line permit chalu maklai. Inner Line Permit Act, very important act. Tini Inner Line Permit elaka, Inner Line Permit ganang rajyo rok. Mo BJP rok, sorbonasa kaisa ain khaimani porebo. Gobang ma rajyo tabuk shape nungi thangka. Tripura hastewo onek salni simena chung Inner Line Permit chalu khai dihene andolon khai tongo. Tripura hastewo bo central government Inner Line Permit chalu khayani intung. Kok borok language, state ni recognized language. Kok borok language no tabuk Indian Constitution ni 8 schedule include khai dihene chung tini pula khorang tisaya. দীর্ঘ 17-18 বছর আপনি সিকাঙ্গ চং খাইতেন এবং চিনি আন্দোলনী ফলে ন তিনি কেন্দ্র সরকার খাইছা প্রগ্রেস একটা প্রসেস নিতেন ফরেস্ট রাইট অ্যাক্ট ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট অ্যাক্ট ইউপিএ গভর্নমেন্টনি আমল अब খাইলাম মানে ফরেস্ট রাইট অ্যাক্ট थांनाय लेफ्ट फ्रंट गवर्नमेंट याक्ष बदल सरकार अपना ठीक इम्प्लीमेंट खाइलिया फरेस्ट राइट एक्ट जरा पड़ी नाई त्रिपुरा हास्टेनी तमा वानजई तमा बिहारी तमा मणिपुरी तमा त्रिपुरासा फरेस्ट राइट एक्ट आं जतन किसा पड़ी दी हनै सबने कबुंगना मुचुंगो और क्लियर सजाक जत शिड्यूल ट्राइब्स फरेस्ट डुवेलार्स तपशिली उपजाति बनवासी 25 कानिके हामानानिको बामफ्रंट सरकार केवल कानिंग नहीं केवल कानिकता माइके हाकलांखा अब ठीक भावे इम्प्लीमेंटिंग लिया अब ताड़ाताड़ी प्रपार इम्प्लीमेंट खाइनानि बागै जों दिनै आरो गणावस्थानि बिसिंथि खरांथि सैथं राज्य सरकार ताबुक नियर अबाउट 34,000 बैकलॉग दं वैकेंट पोस्ट फॉर शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स अबनो दाक्ति विदाउट एनी इंटरव्यू without job form fill up, without any government interview by special recruitment drive खाई ओ जे vacant post तमनी नो special recruitment drive नि बिसिंथि fill up खान्या निमथु अबंका चिनि तिनेनि अरनि कायबा सानमु जोंथ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम नि बिसिंथि मेमोरेंडम नि बिसिंथि कक सालायमनि नि बिसिंथि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जों अपील खालायदों मुभमेंट बो खालायो त्रिपुरा हास्टेव कतरमा मुभमेंट इनका सीए बिंग माने सिमी जों 2016 नि सिमी त्रिपुरा हास्टेव जत जे रिजनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तंगाइरक अबन कासना बगै खाजा तबुक एकमात्र सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट शाखा इंडिया वो सीएए चालू फानो 6 शेड्यूल मुताबिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल एलाकाओ सिमियाबो चालू गला अब जों थागिया जों होल त्रिपुराओ से अपन चालुता खादिने दाबी खाने जों जतक्षण पर्यंत सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कन्विन्स खाई मो दाबी देवा फुलफिल खाई में एक्सेप्ट जरा चीनी चबा जों खाई जानाय
Chalo ma khai na